Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve a very simple mathematic question. So let's start it. We have 8 power 9, then plus again 8 power 9, then again plus 8 power 9, and then again 8 power 9. So you can take it. You can take 8 power 9 common from all terms. From here you will left with 1. From here also 1, 1 and 1. Okay, now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 you will get 4. Now write 8 in the shape of 2 power. Okay, so we know that 8 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 and 4 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2. So replace them. So here we can write 2 raised to the power 3 whole bracket put 9 and instead of 4 write 2 raised to the power 2. Now further solve it. 3 nines are, we can multiply them. Okay, according to math rule, if you have this we can write is mn. So you can write 3 into n. 3 nines are 27. Now when bases are same, we write only one base and add their powers. So you can write it in this way. From here you will get 27 plus 2 29. So this is your final answer to this question. I hope you have liked this video. If so, then hit the like button. Also subscribe my channel if you not yet not subscribed, and also share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video.